Let me show you how to refresh your old artificial Christmas tree. You guys, this tree is 15 years old and it's a 7.5 foot tall tree. Head to Hobby Lobby and grab 10 to 15 of your preferred floral Christmas picks. You guys, you're going to find these over in the floral department, not in the Christmas section. Make sure you get picks that are long enough that they're really going to stand out in your tree. I chose these frosted picks for a little bit of depth and dimension, and it turned out stunning. Make sure you fluff each pick out. Remember, they're on a wire spine, and just add them whimsically throughout your tree. What do you think? Okay, on to step 2. Let's get our ornaments hung. Instead of hanging them individually, I prefer to make ornament clusters for a more high-end polished look. You'll need some green pipe cleaners and 2 different sizes of ornament balls, and we're going to add 5 of those ornaments to the pipe cleaner, and I'm just adding in 2 of the larger and 3 of the smaller right onto that pipe cleaner. I'm giving it a gentle twist in the center to make an ornament cluster. Then I'm going to come into my tree, wrap those pipe cleaners around the branch immediately above my greenery picks, and I'll do that throughout the entire tree. Okay, one more step. Let's add some pretty Christmassy wired ribbon into our tree. This is 2.5 inches wide. I'm going to make 3 loops about the length of my hand. Once I get those 3 loops made, I'm going to leave about a 12-inch tail and cut that off from my roll of ribbon. Here I'm just securing those loops with a green pipe cleaner, and then I'm giving them a quick fluff. I like to add my ribbon bows above each ornament cluster in my tree. So I'm just going to tuck that in and wrap those pipe cleaners around a neighboring branch. I just added 1 ribbon tail today, but you guys, you can add 2 if you'd like, and they can be as long as you wish. What do you think? If you noticed, my Christmas tree has basically the same groupings all throughout. I added 10 of those frosted greenery picks throughout my tree. Then above each of those greenery picks, I added 1 single ornament ball cluster. And then finally, we added that super cute 3-loop ribbon right above our ornament clusters. So we've sprinkled those throughout the entire tree for the overall design. I hope you found this helpful. Okay, real quickly, let me take you into my dining room, which has got a modern farmhouse theme. I'll show you my 6.5 foot pencil tree with an interesting twist. Okay, let's go. I like to keep my dining room theme simplistic, and so I've just added a manger scene with flicker candles to the top of our fireplace mantle, and then we've got a 6.5 foot pencil tree that's covered in angel wings, green and browns, ornament balls, some fairy lights, and some roller skates. And then at the top, you guys, this is new for us this year, I added a 4-pillar candle ring to the top of our tree to really give it that rustic farmhouse feel. These pillar candles are amazing. They actually have an option. You can keep them permanently bright or flicker like a candle. They're battery operated. They do come with a remote, and you can set them on a timer. You guys, I'll leave links for most of the products that you've seen in today's video below in the description of this video so that you can snag them if you wish. Drop me a comment below and let me know where you're watching from. Bye, guys.